right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. So I am back out here in Tule Springs, which is a master plan community out here in the north side of the Las Vegas Valley, just right north of the 250 in Aliante. I do apologize for the burp here, very rude of me. However, as you can see, there's so much people here. It's just kind of crazy, all these people. I mean, look at all the cars here. Look at all the people. Let me just show you what's going on, guys. I can't believe how high interest rates are now. And all the people are just out here just like looking at homes. So we just got done touring this model right over here. Matter of fact, we are in a community called Heartland Summit. These are the bigger models. They got two models to tour. I just got done doing the 4425 model. But now we're gonna be focusing on the 3765 model. This is it right here. Now this thing right here actually features 3,765 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 4 baths, 2-story with a 3-car garage. Pricing is about $680,000 on here. Whew. Man, it is hot outside, I tell you that much. So let's take a look here. Main living here, bedroom here off to the right. So we'll start off here. Carpet, as you can see, we have 9-foot ceilings. Your 1-in-1 is here. Oops, hit the camera. Your 1-in-1 is right there. So I guess this would be good for an office. I can tell you this much, man, the baseboards here are pretty much straight, that's for sure. Now we're gonna do something different because we got some people hanging downstairs. We're gonna go upstairs first. We're gonna go backwards. We want to respect their privacy. I try not to get people in the video, but sometimes, you know, when it's so busy like this. So we got the loft here. Now, as soon as I come up, I noticed a couple things. The house, okay, on the second floor, it's a lot cooler than the first floor. Reason why is because cool air rises, heat always drops, okay? So a home like this size, you definitely need 2 condensers. Now, one thing I noticed, a lot of builders, what they're really doing now is with the paint colors, they're not really going dark anymore, they're going white. Reason why they are going white and doing the orange peel, really focusing on the orange peel, because the orange peel texture really hides all the blemishes against the walls. Also with the white, right, because with the texture, when the guys come out and spray the interior with the texture, sometimes the texture is not leveled. If you did a 2-tone paint color in the interior, you will be able to see that. So just a quick tip, just to make sure that if the standard comes white, you literally look at every single wall and to make sure the texture is pretty much the same, because then you can run into lumps where they was oversprayed. You don't notice it because it's white, it's all blended in, the eye doesn't catch it. Next thing you know it, you paint it, boom, you run into some problems. Like at the end of the day, when you're doing these homes, it's all about you holding the builders accountable, or anybody that's building your home. When I say the builders, it's not me against the builders, okay? Because it's not. What it is this. You spent hundreds of thousands of dollars and you're buying only probably 1 home, 2 homes in your lifetime. The builder is constantly building homes. Like this builder right here is a national builder. They're building thousands of homes a year, right? Imagine that. So they're just turning and burning, flipping paper. Love the fact that you have the transfer duct there. Let's take a look at this bathroom. The backsplash here is hideous. Now with D.R. Horton, you're really not going to have that option to really pick anything. These are all spec builds, which means now what they're doing is They are releasing the lots, releasing the models, and basically they're just telling you, hey, if you buy this lot, this model, this is all the things that come with it. You take it or you leave it. But what they do is they have like 3 different countertops, 3 different color cabinets. Now with me, the leverage that you will have is this. Based upon those 3 items and the selections of whatever they have, you just tell me what you want, right? And as it gets released, you just need to make the commitment that you're going to be moving forward, and I can get it done. Now, there's a way that I'm able to do it. Now, I don't want to tell everybody my secret and try to use it to their advantage, because the whole idea is to contact me so that way I can help you and walk you through the process of purchasing a home. Some of these videos you gotta have fun. Oh, look at that. Zion, that's where I'm going again. Zion, baby. That place is gorgeous. I have not had a chance to go through the Narrows. Laundry room. You got the plumb for the sink. Washer and dryer is not included. You have your attic access right above too as well. And then we have our exhaust and our return line. So down here, what do we have? Bedroom. Let's go to this one first. Coming into the bathroom. Tub shower combo. You have a door with the toilet here. Also, damn. I'm thinking so fast, I can't even talk. So, on my way here, I was listening to the radio. They were saying that this month has been the hottest month on record that the planet has ever felt, which is kind of crazy to me. Like, Vegas was literally nice and cool, and one day it's like somebody just literally turned on the switch, and it was just like hot. Crazy hot. And if you guys don't have a real estate agent, we definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, let's see what else we got here. Pretty much all standard here with all the Horton stuff. Now, one of the builders that I noticed that is pretty damn good, which is I'm starting to get very impressed with this builder. They've really changed their company around. It's actually Woodside Homes. As far as the materials and the supplies that you get with like standard for your money, as far as like build quality wise, I'm very impressed with the builder. I'm actually doing a couple deals with them, and I noticed instead of the radiant barrier, now they're doing spray foam insulation inside the attic, which is, the R rating on that is unbelievable. I mean, just the quality of construction that they're using. I just want to give a quick shout out to them because they've been very good to me, but also they're just doing such a killer job. All right, did we go in these rooms? There's so many damn rooms, I don't even remember. Okay, I already went in that one, went in that one. This one, we just kind of walked around pretty fast, huh? Because this is just like all pretty much standard, yeah. Laundry room, we checked out. All right, let's go downstairs. Also, the incentives right now, according to the sales agent, they are actually giving you $7,500 if you use their lender. However, those things actually may change. It's not a guarantee. It's like one of those promotional things, you know what I mean? Oh, why is this thing so crooked? Let's get it more straight. And I think it's that time to get us a new gimbal. Oh, this one has a next gen too, so ooh, this is interesting. Kitchen is a little bit small for how large the house is, but I guess we'll start on this side here. So this is where you're gonna be putting your dining room table. Then we have this large hallway here. We have 12 by 24 on the tile. I feel like it's ran in the correct direction. I love how they color block this right here. Very cost effective way. Now your doorbell chime is right here. These are actually ran by 24 volts and they're actually controlled by the 24 transformer inside your garage. So just keep that in mind. If it doesn't work, then you have that transformer in there. Let's take a look at this island here. HOAs are $112 a month. That's not bad. I like the white cabinets here. A couple things I've noticed here. We've got to get rid of this glue here. That tends to happen. White shaker cabinets, dovetails obviously, undermounted glide, soft closing cabinets, undermounted sink. Okay. 42 upper cabinets with a 3-inch crown. Refrigerators not included. 36-inch cook countertop. Whirlpool package appliances. Backsplash is not included. However, you can customize your own backsplash. Oh, somebody cooking up in here. Pantry. Not bad. Before we go back to the next gen, let's take a look at this. These rods right here, not all builders will actually have this. You can actually buy this for like 19 bucks at Lowe's or Home Depot. I also put a rod down here too as well. Some of these older homes with these doors, you can actually lift this up from the exterior. A lot of people are not aware of that, but the lot sizes over here are very large. Definitely pool size for sure. Now let's say if you're gonna run a pool, depending on the builder. Okay. On this one, here's the Casita that comes in. So we have the gas line here. You can actually run that gas line underneath here. The power box, I would probably put another breaker box here. So as you can see that breaker box right there for the AC unit, that's a 220 with a 40 amp. I'd probably have one that's a 40 amp right here. Talking about power boxes, another thing with the power panel box, I just want to make sure that you check if you're getting a 200 or 220 amp breaker. I prefer 220. Some builders will give you a 220. Okay. Now, you have your disconnect here, your pool pump here, okay? One thing I want you to keep in mind is that if your bedroom is here, you got your pool pump and all that stuff here, could be a problem. Where are you gonna run it? You have your disconnect here, but then you can run your power and the pool stuff all over here. It doesn't need to be here off to the side, okay? Here, this is, I'm just gonna show you, this is kind of like your irrigation system, right? You have so many different zones, and you can control just the backyard, the front yard. You can have 2 zones here, back left, back right. You may have certain type of plants, right, that may require more water than others, okay? Here, the builders will run it all the way back here, but the thing about this is that if we take a look, this one actually has 3 different control valves. That means there's 3 zones back here for the type of plants that they have, okay? So this is actually good. Now these are actually filters here that you could take off. Here, this is how it works. These are 24 volts. And this goes to your garage where you have your panel. And you should be able to hook this up through a app too as well. And you can literally manually turn these on. This just kicks on like that. And now it's running, okay? So now the irrigation is going just for this system and where the plants are running. This is how you manually turn it on and also turn it off, okay? It's just a way just to like test run it, that's all. And that filter you should be cleaning out like once a month because there's debris that gets in and out of that thing. Now let's go take a look at the Casita, or the next gen. Here is the half bath. Smell like doo-doo up in there. Somebody make a poopy. How embarrassing, huh? You go walk this model, next thing you know, your stomach's bubbling. You gotta make a doo-doo. And it's like one of those doo-doos where you gotta go. Like, you know what I'm talking about. Somebody had to go. That has happened to me a couple times, believe it or not. So, not bad, right? A little bit narrow. I think I like the other model better. You guys let me know which one you guys like better. This model or the other one? Also, if you guys want to know how the electrical is ran and how you should run electrical, I did a full video tutorial on it. Make sure to check that out. That was filmed on Sunday. But today's Sunday. But by the time you watch this video, it should be Monday. No, it should be Tuesday. So go back to Sunday's video. And here's our access point to the front door here, or entryway. Alright guys, I'm pretty much done with this video. And I'm really done with my work week. Yes. I get to spend time with Jessica. We can go hang out. Not too sure what I'm going to do today. Pick her up, probably have some lunch. Probably hit the gun range. Probably watch a movie. Do a little shopping. Also, other thing, guys, if you guys are just, just fans of the show and you guys are just into like real estate, we actually have a second channel, which is Chakits 2.0. And basically, I just kind of show you just like, my business, my personal life of how, life of a real estate agent here in Las Vegas. And I just really share everything. So we have probably about, 8,500 subscribers. I'm trying to reach 10,000. So if you guys haven't had a chance to check that out and you guys are just a true fan, there's a lot of insight on that as well. And it's also real estate related. All right. Just check it out. Subscribe to the channel. Other than that, I really, really appreciate each and every one of you guys. I wish you guys nothing but the best and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.